Hey friends, I wanted to show you an easy way to create some dried orange garland. So what I did was just cut up 4 to 5 oranges. I put them in my air fryer on the dehydrate setting for about 4 hours on 380. And then I just found some twine around the house that I had and just strung on the oranges. And it just brings this nice pop of color to your garland if you're looking for something new and fresh to do maybe in your kitchen or on any of your mantles, or even it'd be cute on a wreath as well. You could also add in some dried cranberries or even some cinnamon sticks, which would really make your house smell super fragrant and lovely. So just a few other ideas you can add to your garland. Thank you so much for flying by today, and I'll catch y'all again soon.